My name is Ira Smith, President of Ira Smith Trustee and Receiver, Inc. First, we hope that you and your entire family remain safe, healthy, and secure during this coronavirus pandemic. Ira Smith Trustee and Receiver, Inc. is fully operational. Both Brandon Smith and myself are holding all meetings by telephone or video meeting. So if you have any questions at all about this Brandon blog or anything else, shoot us a message, give us a phone call. We would love to hear from you. Today, Brandon wrote his blog on Laurentian University restructuring under the Companies Creditors Arrangement Act, now having entered Phase 2 of the restructuring. So I hope you can watch until the end of this video, because I know you will get value from it. Today's Brandon blog is about the Laurentian University financial restructuring under court supervision, having entered what Laurentian calls its Phase 2. And that is the appointment of a real estate advisor to review all of Laurentian's real estate holdings in order to determine how best they can monetize them to come up with the money they need to offer to their creditors in ultimately the plan of arrangement that they will present under the Companies Creditors Arrangement Act financial restructuring. The blog is titled Cushman Wakefield Toronto. Court readily appoints firm to review Laurentian's massive real estate holdings. So Brandon, in the blog below, and I invite you to read it all because it has much more detail than I'm going to provide in this short video. Laurentian's court-appointed monitor on June 29 issued its 5th report to court in support of Laurentian's application for approval to retain the Toronto office of Cushman and Wakefield as real estate advisor to Laurentian. Regular readers of Brandon's blog will know that he has written 5 previous blogs on the Laurentian University restructuring as each major event happens. On July 5th, Laurentian was in court seeking approval for the appointment of Cushman and Wakefield. The monitor's report indicated everything that Laurentian has done to date in Phase 1 in terms of looking at all of its costs, all of its programs, its staffing levels, the cuts it made, the termination of leases, termination of the Federated Universities agreement. And it's now at the stage where, because of those cuts, it may not need all the real estate it owns, or it will have the opportunity to monetize some of that real estate if it doesn't sell it. As I said, on July 5th, they were in court for approval. The monitor explained the process they went through to get proposals. They advised the court that they received 6 proposals, held interviews with 4 of the parties who made proposals, and are now recommending the Cushman and Wakefield proposal for approval. Laurentian has also asked that the financial arrangements for Cushman and Wakefield's retainer be sealed by court order so that nobody can see what Cushman and Wakefield is being paid. As Brandon describes below, the court was reluctant to seal all the financial details. The court felt that there were aspects that were not trade secrets or would somehow hurt the restructuring. So they had to adjourn briefly. Laurentian's lawyer had to get instructions. Ultimately, court reconvened the same day, and Laurentian's lawyer advised that Cushman and Wakefield is prepared to disclose the total of their fee to be earned, but not how that fee was calculated. The judge accepted that, and later that day, the monitor had to file a supplementary report to include a redacted financial terms sheet so that that too could be a public document. So Laurentian has now entered phase 2. It owns a lot of real estate. It owns real estate both on campus and off campus, and the real estate review is now underway. When the results of that review are known, we will then know what Laurentian is planning to do about selling real estate or mortgaging real estate to come up with the funds that it needs. But in the meantime, here's one fun fact about some Laurentian real estate. In recent years, the only public discussion we could find concerning Laurentian's lands has actually centered on a couple who purchased a home in the area, just to find out that half their backyard, including their septic bed, was encroaching on university property. So the couple said that they've made several offers to Laurentian to purchase the land from them. The latest offer was that they would pay Laurentian $70,000 plus give the university a bigger piece of land than the one that they're seeking in return to eliminate the encroachment. Laurentian refused that last offer and started a lawsuit against the couple. So perhaps as part of this overall CCAA restructuring, Laurentian can see fit not to continue its war against this Sudbury husband and wife, but rather accept their offer. I would think that the Board of Governors of Laurentian University have much bigger issues to be concerned about within the entire CCA restructuring than this couple and this little bit of land that they're desperately trying to buy in order to keep their property whole and together. So I hope you can read the entire Brandon blog below. I know you will find it very informative. Once again, the Ira Smith team hopes that you and your entire family are remaining safe, healthy, and secure during this coronavirus pandemic. Ira Smith, Trustee and Receiver Inc. is fully operational. Both Brandon Smith and myself are holding all meetings by telephone or video meeting. So if you have any questions at all about this Brandon blog or anything else at all, shoot us a message, give us a phone call. We would love to hear from you.